Porsche. Porsche. Look, I open. Wow, it's very beautiful car. Look. Porsche. Jadid car. Sa gulong pala mapawaw ka na Goodyear. Look, Porsche. Jadid. Brand new. Yan. Kulay black. Tas yung meron niya. Wow. Very nice car. Ano siya? Carrera. 911 Carrera. Key. Ayan. Look the inside. Porsche. Manual. Kabalot pa yung apakan ng brake. Kulay blue. Line 11 Carrera. Manual. Yung manual niya hanggang 6 star. Wow, very nice. In the middle section. Wow, 6 star. Kulay blue, black. Look, very nice. Very smart. Tignan mo. Totally 3 passenger. Dalawa sa likod. Model years yan. March 2025. Dr. Lang Ichi 40 AG. Made in Germany. Made in Germany po yan. Yung belt niya, totally for belt kulay blue. Black and blue. Wow, very nice car.
Tawagan mo nga si Robert ka.
It's very beautiful car. Nice. Yung AC niya. Totally yung AC niya. 1, 3, 4. 4 ang AC. In the middle section, ayan po yung ayan, Sherlock. Manubilan niya, napaganda. It's very beautiful car. Ang ganda. Close up yung ganda. So yung speaker niya, Bose. Look, the speaker. Kurang itim lahat. Ito na switches sa mga pintuan. Chodo only. Very beautiful car. Thank you so much. Look, tatay at the back. Magandang gulong. Kulay itim yung body. Very nice.
Carrera Petrol. Carrera ano daw? Petrol ba daw?
Carrera 911T.
Ayan, pangalan niya mo, no? Carrera, oh. S. Petrol. 922, oh.
Lock the engine. Magandang sakyan. Makina. Ito yung makina niya. 3.0. Porsche C40 CW40. Lock. Mobile Porsche. Engine. Napakakit. 911 Porsche. Kasi yung tambotso niya. Dalawa. Lock tambotso. Swabe. Napagandang sakyan. Oh my God. Very beautiful car. Model year 2025. Yung chassis niya. Chassis iba ba? Diba? Ang lapad ng gulong. Halos 2 dangkal. Chassis niya. Napakasulit. It's a beautiful car. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Ang engine niya. Papawaw ka sa engine. Wow, so cute ang engine. Chassis niya. Wow! Sa ilalim. Look, chassis. Diba? Pakasulit. Sabi. Very beautiful car. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you. God bless you. Wow. Isa pangalan. Wow. Very beautiful car. This is second row. Sa right passenger. 911 Carrera. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Black and white. Mga kulay blue. Bush. Porsche. Gets lahat. May extra fire extinguisher set. Sa loob. Yan. Fire extinguisher. In case of emergency. Thank you so much. Wow. Very nice. Manual 911. Wow, that's a very nice car. Thank you. God bless you all. Magagasak yan.
Wala tuloy ako rin mo. Nasaan na ba yung pinindot ko?
I don't know what to do.
Okay. Thank you so much. Meron din pong speaker sa loob. Magkabilaan yan. Both side. Ayan. Magagasak yan. Let's catch. Let's go. Thank you so much. God bless you. Mwah. Okay. Tapos dito tayo sa gasolina. Wow, engine pa lang. ROG 98. Okay. Wow, it's very beautiful. Engine, bundle, gasolina. Thank you. God bless you all. Mwah. Tapos, sa right side, ito sa harapan, sa gulong. Lapad ng gulong. Okay. Thank you. God bless you all. Mwah. Pagkatapos kong video kung kayo pa yung manood. Maraming salamat. God bless you all. Mwah. Bye bye. Yung ilaw pa lang. Wow, sa light. Porsche. HD Matrix. Porsche. Wow.
Hoy, wag mo akong ano yun ha. Hindi ko kasalanan yun. Not me.
Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. I love you. God bless you.
Kung ako sa'yo, tinawagan mo na si Robert.
Pagkatapos kong video, maraming salamat. Bye. I love you. No, thank you.
Magkano ba nyo daw? 950?
45.
Sahod na ng tatlong tao yun.